Hey guys, today we're talking about the Armor All 2-in-1 foam cannon. I don't know what the 2 part is. I know what the 1 is. It's a foam cannon. Oh, you can put a pressure washer connect or a garden hose connect. Actually, really cool. Yeah, that's sick. Exclusive design to Armor All. I have a power washer and a garden hose, so we will be testing both of them. It's already pre-assembled, very nice. And then here we get your handle. No instruction manual or anything, but I do like that this one has a front grip. That's pretty cool. The thing I don't like is there's no lock. Not that I use a lock all the time, but there's no way to lock that. So quick disconnect with a small one, kind of like a pressure washer bit. I mean, that's it for the pressure washer bit right there. So you can, oh, I see. So you can put your garden hose here, and then it connects via pressure hose connection here. That's why they have the exclusive handle. I've never seen this before anywhere, because you can put your garden hose right there. Actually kind of nice. And you pop this out. I can make adapters for this that'll just spray like a power. You could just use your power hose. But I wonder how that pressure is with nothing attached to it. That's been my downfall for all these washers, is how is the pressure after you pop the foam cannon off to rinse down the car. This actually might be it, man. This might be the design. It's got the Armor All. It's kind of like a sticky sticker, thick sticker. It's got all your measurements there. Probably hard to see because it's so white. Thing out the front. Any adjustment? No, but here you can adjust that. Not sure what we're adjusting, but I don't know what this is either. Okay, that moves up and down. Oh, power wash and garden hose. Okay, so you change that up for power wash, down for garden hose. It's actually is really nice. No filter on the end. Could always put one there, it's not that much money. But it's really nice. All of this is metal. Like this piece is all metal, probably to take the pressure from a pressure washer. I'm actually super impressed with this. And the other thing that happens, because this is so heavy, when you fill this up with liquid and you stick this on here, it sits up. It's been my complaint about all of them. They always fall over. I love this thing. So let's go out and wash a car and let's test this thing out. I am already in love with this, like super in love with this. This thing is awesome. Okay guys, now we're talking about the Armor All one. This one's cool, it comes with a gun. You can pop this out and pop in your pressure washer tips, which I just find really cool. I'll show you a demo of that first. It ain't gonna clear your deck, but it's cool, you can add different tips. And then the sprayer actually has quite a nice rinse spray to it. So let's pop it on here. And then this connection is a power washer connection, and this connection is a hose connection. So you can take your power washer and plug it in here, or just plug this gun in too. So let's give that a shot. And you put the arrow on either pressure washer or on gun. So up would be pressure washer, down would be gun. Down would be garden hose. So let's try with garden hose and see what goes on. I'm gonna loosen this all up to make it as sudsy as we can get it. That's it. Okay, I topped off with more solution. Maybe it's not supposed to be so watered down because you're adding water with this side. So let's see if this is any thicker. Now we're talking. Now we're getting somewhere. Well, without a diluted solution, worked way better. Well, I gotta say, this gun with the front handle like this tip, it has tons of pressure to rinse. I like this the best out of any of the ones I've tried. Maybe it's been my user error, but maybe you don't dilute this at all. I didn't read any instructions, you know, guys stuff, but I I didn't try it with a pressure washer either. That might cause a different amount of foaming. But like this, I mean, you're still gonna wash your car, but I would give it like a 6 out of 10 for foam. Again, it could be my user error. I put diluted soap in here. It could be my fault, but this thing makes up for every little bit of that. And you can put your little attachments in from your pressure washer. Oh. Shoot it at your car. But you put your pressure washer tips in, you can get in fine details. Like in these little cracks. Probably hard to see on camera, but that's so cool. It's really cool you could do that. So now that we've tried it with the hose, let's try the Armor All with a pressure washer. And again, you got to change that knob to be pressure washer. I'm going to open it up to have the most suds. Let's see how this guy does. Yeah, this is the nicest one I've ever tried. You get to use a garden hose. If you want to do the pressure washer and get coverage like that, you can do it. This thing wins out of all of them I've ever tried. I'd pick this one up 100%. So hopefully that helps make a better decision. Thanks for watching, guys.